Have you ever wanted to do one of those posts on social media where you say comment interested and then have an automation pick up the comment and then you just reply to that comment automatically saying, thanks for the comment. I'm going to send you a DM, and then automatically send that person a DM with like a link or something like that actually triggers like a sales process. Well, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in this video. It's going to take like 5 to 10 minutes max, probably less than 10 minutes. And I'm going to use a tool called Go High Level or High Level. And you can get a 30-day trial of High Level by clicking the link below. Normally 14 days, but click my link below and you'll get the help of my team and you'll get your own High Level account, what I'm showing you here. So anyway, the first thing you want to do is sign in once you've got an account and go to the marketing section. All plans have the marketing section. So you want to come over to the social planner and connect Facebook. Now you don't want to mix this up with going to settings and integrations because there is a Facebook section there, but it is different. So we want to connect from the social planner. And I'm just going to choose my voice AI software brand, Zavira, and off we go. So we've got a Facebook account connected, and once I've got that, it'll list the connected accounts here. And of course, then what I could do is obviously just go into any way to create content. I like to use content AI, and we can do our brand voice and things like that. And we could just say we want to just do like a visual post about our cool new AI voices. Mention comment AI, and I'll send you the details. Right. And we want to basically encourage commenting from the audience, right? The keyword is AI. That's the goal. I'm going to do 3 variations, and you don't have to use AI. Of course, you could have your own created post. I'm going to do 3 variations of an AI created post here. So I've got a lot of videos on my YouTube channel, more coming, of course, and please give us a like and subscribe if this was valuable to you, or share with someone who you think has been dying to be able to figure out how to do this. And over to you. See you in the next video. Cheers. Okay, so we've generated a bunch of potential posts here, and I'm just going to choose, say, the first one. And whilst it wasn't like a visual post or anything like that, it's really just a post with a bunch of text. Once we choose the account that it's going to go to, you can see we've got our post here, and we've got type AI below, and we'll send you all the information directly via Messenger, which is essentially what I want to do. And you can actually do the first comment if you're sort of, looking at also teasing new things, like you want to do a short visual post and you say like details in the first comment. That's how you would do it with the follow-up first comment. So off you go, and you click post, and you click on post now. And then that post is essentially, live. So then what we want to do is we want to go to our automations. So we go to the automations. We're going to create a new workflow. We're going to start from scratch. I do think that there is a template in here for that, but I'm going to build it from scratch rather than use the template. So I'm going to add the trigger, which is Facebook comments on a post. The page is the Zavira. The post is a published post, and you can go right down to the post, right? So if I'm looking for a specific keyword that I've asked for in that post, we want to do that. Track first level commenters only. usually probably a good sort of rule of thumb is to do that. Just means that you don't have like multi-threaded, things going on where it's picking up the keywords, because generally speaking, it's going to be in that first level thread. So when that happens, what you can do is you can comment back. So you can actually go and reply the comment, and then you can be like, hey, whatever their name was. And you just go, whoops, wrong button. Oh, it doesn't like that. So thanks for the interest. I've sent you all the details in a DM, right? And then you can like their comment as well. So you might do that first, and then you might just like wait, I don't know, like a minute. So like maybe 1 minute. And then after that, you can do your DM. Okay, so I think it's Messenger. There we go. And then we can have templates, and I might just like write with AI here. I'm going to sort of, be persuasive. Send a follow-up DM from the comments about our AI voices. They commented they were interested learning more about, and the link, right? And you might have a link to a landing page or something, is, whatever. And I'm just going to generate that as an SMS, and I'm going to come back here and I'm going to paste that in. Hey, I noticed you're interested in more about a voice voice. You can oh, very good. Save action. And that's it. And honestly, that is the whole thing. So I might just like give it a better name, and obviously I could duplicate this, right? So Facebook, organic content, DM, follow up. And if you really did a lot of content, you could do this where you don't go to the level of the post, because you're always going to use the same keyword. I know Atlas Barry, for instance, always says comment frontier all the time. He's probably just using the same automation, and then he's just choosing a different post. Or if you're just saying like, no, it doesn't matter what post it is, or what keyword it is, any comment. So you can get sort of specific or as broad as you need to. I hope that helped. I told you it was going to be short, sweet, and extremely valuable. Whether you're an agency trying to provide this value to your customers, or you're a social media marketer, or you're just trying to do this for yourself as a small business, you can get high level for $97 a month, and you get all of their functionality for $97 a month on a 30-day trial. Give it a go. You will not be disappointed.